Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on time-based memories in Google Photos on computer. So how to turn on time-based memories in Google Photos on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Photos on your computer or laptop. This is the Google Photos display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here there are many menu options. Then tap the Settings menu. Well, here it is already in the Settings menu. And here there are many setting options that you can use. Scroll down to find the Memories menu. Well, here you have found it. And tap the Memories menu. Well, it will appear like this. Scroll down. And tap here to turn on time-based memories. This feature allows users to activate time-based memories in Google Photos so that old photos and videos reappear as memories on the same date in previous years. So that's it, tutorial how to turn on time-based memories in Google Photos on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.